Imagine a future where Kenyan students are at the forefront of agricultural innovation, armed with cutting-edge skills and global perspectives. This is the exciting reality Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology is working towards. Through discussions with Agrarkontakte International AKI, a German-based organization, MMUST students are poised to benefit from agricultural traineeship programs in Germany. These programs, spearheaded by AKI, offer invaluable practical experience on modern German farms to young farmers and agri-food professionals. On November 6, 2025, MMUST welcomed AKI delegates, Ms. Tatiana Dettmer and Ms. Verena Jorse, to explore this partnership and other collaborative avenues, including research and staff exchange programs. The meeting, which included a workshop at Golf Hotel Kakamega, was a crucial step towards formalizing this collaboration. Representing the university management, Professor Danstone Lilechi Barasa, Director of Quality Assurance, emphasized the transformative potential of the traineeship program. He highlighted its role in equipping students with essential knowledge and skills to foster innovation and create employment opportunities. We believe this partnership will cultivate experts who can then share their expertise with our small-scale farmers, thereby inspiring youth to embrace agriculture, Professor Barasa stated. Ms. Dettmer, General Manager at AKI, revealed that the program enjoys support from the Baden-Württemberg Federal State's Ministry of Agriculture, the German Agricultural Bank, and German farmers. The primary goal is to facilitate the exchange of best practices and forge strong connections between Germany and African nations. She pointed out the vast agricultural potential of Kenya, envisioning the country as a significant producer and exporter. We hope that students will return home with the knowledge and skills they've gained, becoming catalysts for change in their communities, Ms. Dettmer remarked. Professor Vitalis Ogemah, Dean of the School of Agriculture, Veterinary Sciences and Technology, SAVAT, emphasized how this program will provide students with hands-on experience in modern agricultural technologies. He noted that such initiatives significantly enhance students' prospects for self-employment and job security. Professor Alice Ndiema from SAVAT echoed this sentiment, underscoring the importance of practical exposure to modern agricultural practices. She encouraged increased youth investment in the sector, highlighting the numerous opportunities available. Ms. Tabitha Shija, the project's contact person, noted that MMUST is among the few Kenyan universities partnering with AKI on this initiative. She highlighted the extensive opportunities available to students and recent graduates, including agricultural expos where German experts can interact with Kenyan agricultural systems and techniques. This partnership, based in SAVAT, is also set to include other schools, such as the School of Public Health, Biomedical Sciences and Technology, SPHBS&T. But here's where it gets controversial. AKI has already established a successful partnership with Bukura Agricultural College, BAC, with over 100 BAC students benefiting from the traineeship program. As MMUST and AKI begin their collaboration, the future looks promising for MMUST students, who are set to gain from this life-changing opportunity. What do you think? Do you believe these international collaborations are crucial for agricultural advancement in Kenya? Share your thoughts in the comments below.